are all born psychics. 100% of all of us have this intuitive God gifted powers. Now we need to understand how to expand our powers, how to enhance the intuitive powers. Intuition is an energy, it's a psychic field. Some people call it as sixth sense. So, how to enhance your intuitive powers, how to understand the energy of the other person. You can enhance the other person's intuitive powers. Since now you know what is happening in the lockdown, a lot of frustrations are happening, anxiety is happening, you tend to look at the news, you listen to the news, your energies either go spiral upward or your energy can go spiral downward. Most of us now are going in an energy spiral downwards because of the frustration, anxiety, the negative news, events. How to enhance the spiral upward energy? Today I am going to share with you a simple affirmation, but highly powerful affirmation this is. You can do this affirmation every day in the morning. In this affirmation I am going to teach you three things. Spiral up the energy, clear your aura, that is an energy field around you which also tends to absorb a lot of negative energies from the surrounding, and also give yourself a divine protective shield so that you are always protected. So first let us begin with cleansing the aura. So for this you need to repeat after me. You can say your name here. For example, if I am Laila Ahmed, I would say let Laila Ahmed be free from all the interferences, injected thoughts and application. Let peace and harmony govern my mind. Let me be healthier and wealthier, better and better, making this world a better place to live in, and the activation command be applied on the declared intent, so it is now. It is very important to say the last line, activation command be applied on the declared intent. So you are activating your energy field to be cleared and raise the frequency. Now specifically for energy spiraling upward, so you will give the command, give your name here again, let Laila Ahmed maintain chakra functioning from heart and above level with a very high frequency, so it is now. Here you need to take care of these two things. First, you are making the command heart and above level. You have 7 chakras, 3 lower chakras, 3 higher chakras. Heart chakra is the center chakra which is neutralized. So to spiral upward the energy, you have to say, let Laila Ahmed maintain chakra functioning from heart and above level. Second important point is with a very high frequency. Energies have frequencies, different frequencies are there. So if your energy is rotating with a higher speed, there is a tendency of you to raise the frequency quite high, and you are able to maintain in a very high mood, good mood, positive attitudes and belief and faith and trust in God just happens. The third and the most important is protecting your aura field. Now your aura is an energy all around us. Now this is a very subtle energies. People who can see through the third eyes can identify the aura of a human being through the different colors showing up in the physical body. Even if you can't see the aura at the moment, you can still protect the aura. So what you need to do is you need to give a command saying, let there be a divine protective shield around, take your name Laila Ahmed, so that only positive energies comes in, reflecting back all the negative energies to the sender or source with double amount of love, so it is now. You understand the concept. You are giving yourself a protective shield, and then you are saying let all the negative energies reflect back to the sender or the source with double amount of love. So you are not sending the negative energies back to the sender, but you are sending the positive energies with your love back to the sender. How this will help you? If the person is sending you negative energies and if you are sending it back to them, it's a vicious circle. You keep on doing hard work, cleaning yourself, raising your frequency, protecting yourself over and over again. This is a hard work where you are cleaning yourself, raising your frequency, and you are protecting yourself over and over again. The person is sending you the negative energy and you are sending the person the negative energy. Instead, send double amount of positive energy to the person who is sending in. So what will happen? That will diffuse the bomb, that will diffuse the negativity, and you will be protected. Simple technique, and you can do it anytime, anywhere. You can do it while you wake up, you can do it while you are in the shower, you can do it while you are having your breakfast, you can do it while you are commuting whenever the lockdown is open. You can do this before going to bed, you can do this before your meditation, and you can see various results of this intuitive powers. If you like this video, do consider subscribing to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any future episodes. Thank you.